Okay, welcome back. Let's shift focus to the commodity space. Manisha is here with, what she's focusing on. Manisha, it's rains and crops.
It is.
On your agenda? Yeah.
It is, yes. Prashant, once the month of June starts, this is all that, commodity as a sector starts to talk about. But what is going to be important today is that it's a cabinet meeting day, it's Wednesday, and there could be the MSPs for the Kharif season 2023-24 in focus on agenda, and that could be announced. We do understand already that CACP has recommended 3 to 8% of a hike in MSP of many of these crops, and the maximum chunk of that could really go in for paddy. There are 15 Kharif crops, by the way, for where the MSP is announced. Paddy is going to be the most important one. There is expectation that 100 to 120 rupees per quintal of a hike is what you could see in case of paddy. It is pulses which also could see a significant jump in sense of MSP, whether it's tur, moong or urad. You could be looking at nearly 6 to 8% of a jump in MSP here. The other important one clearly is going to be maize to watch out for. Here the expectation is that from a level of nearly 1962, that is the MSP that was announced in the previous year, you could see it jumping to 2050 to 2100 as well. The MSP for other crops like bajra, ragi, cotton, etc. are also expected to be announced. While of course it is already delayed for MSP to be announced, what also is seeing a delay is the monsoon onset itself. The date that was announced by IMD was 4th of June. We already are standing at a 6th or 7th, with the expectation that you could see the onset now coming in only by 9th to 10th of June. The cyclone that's coming in clearly has stalled and delayed the monsoon onset, but we have been talking to various academicians and agri-economists. They say that 10 to 15 days of a variation from 1st of June is something that doesn't really bother the cropping. Anything beyond that will delay and also not give you enough yields when it comes to various crops. So that is something that the street will keep an eye on.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details. But with that, we're going to get into a short break. On the other side, we're going to get you a Q4 earnings season review with Elara Securities to really understand how they are looking at the quarter gone by.